In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset passwords in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Now, if you navigate through the MetaTrader application, this is only an application that you use after connecting your broker with, and that broker basically has your trading account. So if you're trying to reset your password from MetaTrader, unfortunately, it's not going to work because it's only meant to connect your broker, which has your trading account, to the market right here. So for example, if I have something like an Axis account, which in my case, I already have it open, you want to head over to your broker, head over to your trading accounts, and from here to simply reset your passwords. It's as easy as navigating through the account, clicking on the three dots, and from here I could select a setting, something like change trading passwords. So I'll simply click on this button, and from here I have the ability to reset my password and change it to whatever I want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.